Before we check in with Ryan Breton, I want to talk about this for a moment. Nearly time to pull out your skis and snowboards. Keep in mind this is file video. Ahead of the season, a ski resort here is getting some national recognition. Ski Magazine has named Saddleback and Rangeley the #1 ski resort in the East. The ranking is part of the magazine's annual reader survey. The readers rank resorts based on a number of categories that include the lifts, the grooming, the overall satisfaction. Among the other top spots, Sugarloaf and Bretton Woods, which is in New Hampshire. Different spelling, Bretton Woods.
Yeah,
I was going to say,
no relation to me. Yeah, they've got 2 T's, I've got 1.
That
But
would be nice, though.
when I was a kid, people used to think we were somehow related.
Yeah.
So.
You were just showing us Katahdin as well.
Beautiful
Snow-capped.
picture.
Above about 4,000 feet, the mountains are snow-capped. And actually from Portland today, you could see Mount
I
Washington.
saw a number of posts.
Yeah.
Clear day for it.
Yep, great day
What a
for
view.
that. Yeah, and want to start with a look at Melissa, just to kind of recap what was the first landfall for this storm around 1 o'clock this afternoon near New Hope, Jamaica. Maximum sustained winds 185 miles per hour, and the pressure at 892 millibars ties it for the second strongest Atlantic landfall, matching the Labor Day hurricane of 1935. Now, those very strong winds were in a small area, relatively speaking, but I think rain is a real major problem that hasn't been discussed enough. And as we start to get images, we'll see a lot of the flooding rain that happened in addition to the wind in Jamaica. Now the center of the storm reemerging over the ocean. It is Category 4 with winds to 145 miles per hour. And a second landfall is expected in Cuba tonight, still as a major hurricane. Then it goes through some of the islands out into the open Atlantic. Probably passes close to Bermuda, but right now it's forecast to go just to its west early Friday morning, staying south of us. Right now, temperatures locally in the lower 50s for most of us, 40s off to the north. A few patchy clouds along the coast, otherwise it's mostly clear. There is a low off the mid-Atlantic right now, but that goes out to sea. This is what will bring us our next round of rain, mainly Thursday night into Friday morning. So hour by hour through tonight, a few clouds along the coastline, otherwise it's mostly clear. Temperatures tomorrow morning will start in the 30s for most of us. A mix of clouds and sunshine tomorrow. I don't think it's quite as clear as we were today, but we remain dry with fairly similar temperatures coming up tomorrow. 52 the high in Portland and Bangor, 54 in Lewiston, I should say, and 55 in Freiburg. A little bit of an east to northeast wind, might be a gusty out over the water, but on the land it shouldn't be all that breezy tomorrow. So this is tomorrow night into early Thursday morning. At that point, Melissa is out over the ocean, and we have a separate system coming in from the west. A little bit of the moisture from Melissa gets drawn into this front, but otherwise we're not going to get anything associated with Melissa. But that will mean a round of some heavier rain that comes in mainly Thursday night. I think you get most of the day in Thursday dry, other than a few late day showers, but steady to even briefly heavy rain comes through Thursday night into Friday morning, lingering into the early afternoon up north, but we're still hopeful we get Friday evening for trick-or-treating in mainly dry. Just will be breezy as it looks right now. As far as rainfall goes, there will be some downpours, and some of the models do indicate upwards of 2 inches of rain. Whether it's over down east or more over western Maine will just depend on where those downpours set up. But there is the potential for some decent rain from that system Thursday night. Seas tomorrow 4 to 6 feet. A small craft advisory is up on the water. So a mix of clouds and sunshine tomorrow, temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. Clouds increasing on Thursday, but most of the rain holds off until Thursday night. Wet Friday morning, but we think you get trick-or-treating in, and then it's a brisk and chilly weekend with highs around 50.
Yeah, suddenly we'll all say it is November.
It sure is.
A very full weekend.
Yes, Ryan, thanks so
You're
much.
welcome.